How to blend videos with double exposure in Filto. First of all, open the Filto app and tap the plus button to create a new project. Select the best video you want to start with from your gallery. Once your video is loaded, go to the overlay or blend section depending on the version of the app. Now tap on the overlay option and choose the second video or image that you want to blend with your base clip. After adding the overlay, you will see blending options like lighten, darken, overlay, screen, multiply, and more. Try each blending mode to see which one gives the best double exposure effect. For example, screen or overlay usually creates a smooth and creative blend. You can adjust the opacity or position of the overlay video to control how much of each video is visible. If needed, you can also apply filters and effects to enhance the overall look of your double exposure edit. Once you are happy with the final result, tap the Save button to export your blended video in high quality. Now you know how to blend videos with double exposure in Filto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.